Reference-based genome assembly. So it is a method of reconstructing a genome by aligning short DNA sequences or reads to a known pre-existing reference genome. Now, how does it work? So reference-based assembly starts with a reference genome, which is a digital representation of a known genome sequence for a species. Researchers then align the short DNA reads obtained from sequencing a new individual of that species to this reference. Then algorithms compare the reads to the reference, identifying regions of similarity and assembling them based on their alignment positions. This process can also involve identifying differences or variants between the new genome and the reference. This approach leverages the similarity between the target genome and the reference to efficiently build a more complete and accurate genome sequence. This was all. Thanks for watching.